Now you can see the S meter display here. This is the S meter, the needle moving. Actually, there is no needle over there. This is just a display on the screen, digital display. Because if you connect this to an external monitor, the same display will be seen there on the external monitor as well. So this is a digital display showing an animation of a needle. And if you switch off the radio, there will be nothing seen there except the black TFT, thin film transistor screen over there. And this can be switched between various modes. In receive mode, this will be the S meter. You can see S 1, 2, 5, 7, 9. And beyond 9, you can have plus 20, plus 40, plus 60 dB. I am showing these with the mouse pointer. I have connected an external mouse to this FT-710 radio. So you can see my mouse pointer moving across the S meter needle. Then the lower part is SWR. I have selected SWR, and that will be seen only during transmit mode. The same meter display is used for different functions. If you touch here, or rather click with the mouse, different functions of the same meter will be shown. That is, if you keep it as PO, then here it is displayed as power. Output power will be displayed as 0 to 150 watts, but actually this radio is only 100 watts, so it will not go beyond 100. And compressor is the COMP is the compressor level when I am using the speech processor. Then this is automatic level control, ALC. VDD will be the final amplifier drain voltage. ID is final amplifier drain current. And SWR is something which is familiar to almost all amateur radio operators. It is standing wire ratio when you connect the antenna. So in my radio, you can see that on 40 meter during even standby mode, there is high level of noise. This is not signal which you are seeing. I can't see any signal on the band now because it's early morning, nobody is there, and the band is not open. And you can see plenty of noise signals over here, and this is almost S8 noise level. Now I'll show you an interesting thing. I'll change the RF gain. Now the RF gain, I routinely keep it as almost full. If I reduce the RF gain gradually, you can see that the needle moves. See, the needle is moving upwards. Now it does 20 dB, 40 dB, 60 dB. When RF gain is reduced much, it comes to 60 dB. That means only signals beyond 59 plus 60 dB will be audible when RF gain is reduced so much. So that extra part is given to the S meter, so that when you hear a signal with RF gain low, you have to understand that the signal is very strong. I usually find this useful when I am trying to receive broadcast stations. When I receive broadcast stations, sometimes I reduce the RF gain to see what is the level of signal in the broadcast station. For routine ham radio, I don't have to reduce this. I usually keep it at full only, and actual signal strength will be displayed like this. Now it is the noise level. If I change the band, then there will be difference in noise level. If I go to 14 megahertz, this is having higher noise now, but it changes with the time of the day. And if I go to 28 megahertz, that is the band which I usually have least noise level, that is only S5 of noise. but sometimes I have lower levels of noise also. It depends on time of the day and various other parameters also. The noise level is only 5. The signal strength is actually for the noise. 21 is something in between. 18 also, the noise level is only S3. So this is the signal meter being used for assessing the noise level.